Due to coronavirus situation, over 90% of schools were closed, many of those completely unprepared for online classes. As we all know, remote learning is future of learning. But there's one problem. Grades are no longer reliable. Online tests can be very easily cheated, and examining each individual is very time-consuming. So we created a project where teachers can examine the whole class without any trustworthiness concerns.
Thank you, Igor. Now, please let me tell you about the first screen you will encounter. It is the login screen. We used 512 SHA encryption with random salts to keep the passwords, your passwords, secure. This is the teacher's dashboard. Here they can grade their tests, delete them, and perform other administratory actions. Here the teacher can add tests, setting all the necessary variables, and later pick from various types of questions: drawable, coding questions using Python, single choice, and open questions, where the student has to write about a topic. To store the tests, we use a local SQLite database so that the product can be easily deployed to school servers. The test. The most important part of the whole program. This is where all the magic happens. We have implemented 2 specially trained machine learning models, checking both audio and video from the camera. The audio model allows for listening to music, but when it hears someone giving answers, it marks the test as cheated. The video model checks if the student isn't cheating from their phone, book, etc. We have also implemented an algorithm which checks if the test taker hasn't left the test to look for answers somewhere else on their computer. You can also see all 4 types of questions here. Another important feature is the messaging model. Here anyone can communicate with other users. Students can receive feedback on the tests and get notified if a test was published. However, we know not everyone will log in every day, so we added automated email sending with AWS to notify students and teachers about tests. Of course, a huge factor behind uncheatable tests is information, and thus we prepared a guide, some tips for the teachers to follow when creating tests so that they are harder to cheat. Summarizing, our system is a reliable means of grading students, giving them assignments, and checking if their work is honest. It's a great, innovative, and most importantly, free asset for all educators, and will always be. After all, we aim to improve learning, bring the teacher to each student behind each computer screen. Thanks, and see you soon.